Hello my dear friends. Today I'm cooking tar halva. Tar halva is a kind of sweet. The ingredients are milk, rice flour, water, starch, sugar, rose water, and saffron. First, I mix the water, starch, and milk and rice flour, and I make the heat very low and for 20 minutes mix it and let it to become dense. I added rose water and also sugar and stir it well until it becomes completely dense. Now you see our dessert is ready. I separate half of it and I will add saffron to the other pot. Now I add some saffron and stir it well. You see, we let it to become cool. Now I rub a little oil all over the dishes. After getting cold, I pour the mixture into the dishes and I will put them into the refrigerator for 3 hours. Okay, it's ready to put in the refrigerator. Now it's ready. You can decorate it